If you need to reset your Afterpay password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Afterpay website. Go to the official Afterpay website or open the Afterpay app on your device. Look for the login section to begin the password reset process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Afterpay account. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the password reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Afterpay in your inbox. This email will contain a link or instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Afterpay account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Afterpay customer support for assistance.